Hey, what's up, everybody? I've got a real treat for you today. I'm talking about how to choose the best whey protein if you're just getting started. Now, I'm not a professional bodybuilder, but I've done my research and have consumed copious amounts of protein over the years, and I'm here to break down these brands for you. I'll also keep it light on jargon, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to make your purchase. Here are on goodoldamazon.com. As you can see, I've filtered down to just a handful of options. All right, let's start with Optimum Nutrition. Now, this stuff right here is the LeBron James of protein powders. It's been around forever, and for good reason. The pros, it's got a great variety of flavors, mixes smooth as butter, and it's like the Meryl Streep of consistency. You can trust this stuff. But here's the thing. Sometimes the price tag on this bad boy can feel like you're paying for a front row ticket to a Beyonce concert. It ain't cheap, but hey, quality comes at a price, right? Now, let's move on to Nutricost. It's like the hidden gem of protein powders. Pros, it's affordable, tastes pretty decent, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. It's like finding a $20 bill in your old jeans pocket. But you know what they say, you get what you pay for. The flavor ain't gonna win any culinary awards, and it might not mix as well as you'd hope. It's like the budget airline of protein powders. It gets the job done, but with some quirks. Now here comes Dymatize, the smooth operator of the protein powder world. Pros, it's known for its fantastic taste, and it mixes so well that it's practically a love story between water and powder. Plus, it's got a solid range of flavors. But here's the kicker. It's a bit pricier than our friend Nutricost, and it might not be the best option for those who are lactose intolerant because it's made with whey. So if you're lactose challenged, this might not be your knight in shining armor. Last but not least, we got Now Sports. This one's like the reliable friend who's always got your back. Pros, it's budget friendly, has a decent taste, and it's got a variety of protein sources, including whey, soy, and pea. But if you're all about that flavor life, you might be a little disappointed because it's not known for having the most exciting taste. It's like the dead joke of protein powders, dependable but not exactly thrilling. So there you have it, folks. We've taken a look at Optimum Nutrition, Nutricost, Dymatize, and Now Sports. Each of them's got its own strengths and weaknesses, but it really comes down to what you're looking for and how deep your pockets go. And, by the way, if you'd like to see me break down some more protein powder game film, check out my channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching.